Hi students, I'm Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. I know that all the CA students are eagerly waiting for an official announcement from CA Institute with respect to the exact dates of commencement of the examinations. So today CA Institute has officially made an announcement that examinations will be conducted from 5th July 2021. That means the examinations of IPCC, CA Inter, CA Final Old and New Syllabus, all these examinations will be conducted from July 5th, 2021. Now, some students may ask me, sir, are they going to be conducted for 100% sure? Nobody can give you 100% surety. Let us assume all of a sudden the number of cases start increasing. Then obviously CA Institute will be forced to postpone the examinations once again. Remember, first the virus will act, and we need to react accordingly. Nothing is there in our hands. It's not a failure of planning. So even in case of planning, we cannot foresee all the uncertainties. That's why there is no 100% guarantee as such. But only positive point in this regard is, in the similar dates, CBSE is also planning to conduct their +1, +2 examinations. Hence, the chances of conducting these examinations as per the schedule, that is from 5th July onwards, are very high. So we can say that most probably 90% chances are there that the examinations will be conducted as per this announced date of 5th July 2021. Next, sir, what about CA Foundation? My dear students, as far as CA Foundation is concerned, I have taken a confirmation and cross-verified with multiple key persons in CA Institute, and confirmed, and all of them have confirmed that CA Foundation examinations will be conducted as per the originally announced schedule, that is 24th June onwards. Now CA Foundation students must concentrate on their studies, and they need to see that they are going to clear these examinations at any cost. My dear students, even if you have a slightest doubt that you may not be able to qualify in the public examinations of CA Foundation, then you better join for CA Foundation regular batch immediately and aim for December 2021 attempt. So don't even write the exams and never wait for the results, because if examinations get completed by June ending, results may get announced by September 1st week. So if you start preparation from September 1st week onwards, will you be able to appear for examinations to be conducted in December? Impossible. So that's why if you don't have confidence, you better don't write the exams and immediately join for CA Foundation regular batch. Similarly, for all the students of CA Inter, we are planning to conduct one set of free pre-final exams. We are not going to charge anything. We have decided to conduct one set of pre-final exams free of cost to all the students of Masterminds. Very soon, we will release all the details with respect to that facility. But CA Foundation students have to be very cautious, and they need to take a very wise decision. All the best, my dear students. If you have any doubts and would like to interact with me, I'm leaving my mail ID in the description of this video. Please don't forget to install our Android app, Masterminds online classes. Large number of useful videos are available, and you can directly purchase them without any human intervention and can start watching the same. All the best.